Meaning of formation dancing.
Formation dancing.
Formation dancing.
Formation dancing.
Formation dancing. Formation dancing refers to a type of dance performance where a group of dancers move in perfectly synchronized patterns and formations on stage. The dancers usually wear matching costumes and the dance routine is choreographed with precision and attention to detail. The result is an impressive display of teamwork, skill and coordination that captivates and entertains audiences. Formation dancing can be performed in a variety of dance styles such as ballet, jazz, ballroom, and contemporary, and is often seen in dance competitions, stage shows, and entertainment events.